Imports system.io, module skins, region declarations, dim save path as string equals ShiftOS desktop.ShiftOS path, dim first run as boolean equals true, comment Windows settings / images, public title bar as image equals nothing, public title bar layout as string equals 3, public border left as image equals nothing, public border left layout as string equals 3, public border right as image equals nothing, public border right layout as string equals 3, public border bottom as image equals nothing, public border bottom layout as string equals 3, public close button as image equals nothing, public close btn layout as string equals 3, public close btn hover as image equals nothing, public close btn click as image equals nothing, public roll btn as image equals nothing, public roll btn layout as string equals 3, public roll btn hover as image equals nothing, public roll btn click as image equals nothing, public min btn as image equals nothing, public min btn layout as string equals 3, public min btn hover as image equals nothing, public min btn click as image equals nothing, public right corner as image equals nothing, public right corner layout as string equals 3, public left corner as image equals nothing, public left corner layout as string equals 3, comment late entry need to fix window code to include this, public bottom left corner as image equals nothing, public bottom left corner layout as string equals 3, public bottom right corner as image equals nothing, public bottom right corner layout as string equals 3, public bottom left corner color as color equals color.gray, public bottom right corner color as color equals color.gray, public enable border corners as boolean equals false, comment settings, public close btn size as size equals new size 22, 22, public roll btn size as size equals new size open parentheses 22, 22 close parentheses, public min btn size as size equals new size open parentheses 22, 22 close parentheses, public title bar height as integer equals 30, public close btn from top as integer equals 5, public close btn from side as integer equals 2, public roll btn from top as integer equals 5, public roll btn from side as integer equals 26, public min btn from top as integer equals 5, public min btn from side as integer equals 52, public border width as integer equals 2, public enable corners as boolean equals false, public title bar corner width as integer equals 5, public title icon from side as integer equals 4, public title icon from top as integer equals 4, comment colors, public title bar color as color equals color.gray. Public border left color as color equals color.gray. Public border right color as color equals color.gray. Public border bottom color as color equals color.gray. Public close btn color as color equals color.black. Public close btn hover color as color equals color.black. Public close btn click color as color equals color.black. Public roll btn color as color equals color.black. Public roll btn hover color as color equals color.black. Public roll btn click color as color equals color.black. Public min btn color as color equals color.black. Public min btn hover color as color equals color.black. Public min btn click color as color equals color.black. Public right corner color as color equals color.gray. Public left corner color as color equals color.gray. Public title text font family as string equals open quote Microsoft Sans Serif close quote. Public title text font size as integer equals 10. Public title text font style as string equals fontstyle.bold. Public title text pose as string equals open quote left close quote. Public title text from top as integer equals 3. Public title text from side as integer equals 24. Public title text color as color equals color.white. Comment desktop. Public desktop panel color as color equals color.gray. Public desktop background color as color. Public desktop panel height as integer equals 24. Public desktop panel position as string equals open quote top close quote. Public clock text color as color equals color.black. Public clock background color as color equals color.gray. Public panel clock text top as integer equals 3. Public panel clock text size as integer equals 10. Public panel clock text font as string equals open quote Byington close quote. Public panel clock text style as font style equals fontstyle.bold. Public app launcher button color as color equals color.gray. Public app launcher button clicked color as color equals color.gray. Public app launcher background color as color equals color.gray. Public app launcher mouse over color as color equals color.gray. Public applications button text color as color equals color.black. Public application button height as integer equals 24. Public application button text size as integer equals 10. Public application button text font as string equals open quote Byington close quote. Public application button text style as font style equals fontstyle.bold. Public application launcher name as string equals open quote applications close quote. Public title text position as string equals open quote left close quote. Public app launcher menu holder width as integer equals 100. Public panel button icon top as integer equals 3. Public panel button icon side as integer equals 4. Public panel button icon size as integer equals 16. Public panel button height as integer equals 20. Public panel button width as integer equals 185. Public panel button color as color equals color.black. Public panel button text color as color equals color.white. Public panel button text size as integer equals 10. Public panel button text font as string equals open quote Byington close quote. Public panel button text style as font style equals font style.regular. Public panel button text side as integer equals 16. Public panel button text top as integer equals 2. Public panel button gap as integer equals 4. Public panel button from top as integer equals 2. Public panel button initial gap as integer equals 8. Public launcher item size as integer equals 10. Public launcher item font as string equals open quote Byington close quote. Public launcher item style as font style equals font style.regular. Public launcher item color as color equals color.black. Comment images. Public desktop panel as image equals nothing. Public desktop panel layout as string equals 3. Public desktop background as image equals nothing. Public desktop background layout as string equals 3. Public panel clock as image equals nothing. Public panel clock layout as string equals 3. Public app launcher mouse over as image equals nothing. Public app launcher as image equals nothing. Public app launcher layout as string equals 3. Public app launcher click as image equals nothing. Public panel button as image equals nothing. Public panel button layout as string equals 3. Comment below is all for the desktop icons patch. Public enable draggable icons as boolean equals true. Public icon text color as color equals color.white. Public show icons as boolean equals true. Public icon view 1 as view equals view.large icon. Public icon view 2 as view equals view.tile. Comment DevX's advanced app launcher coded by the ultimate hacker. Public top bar height as integer equals 50. Public bottom bar height as integer equals 50. Public places side as string equals left. Public start height as integer equals 526. Public start width as integer equals 320. Public shutdown string as string equals open quote shutdown ShiftOS close quote. Public username position equals open quote middle comma right close quote. Public recent icons horizontal as boolean equals false. Public username text color as color equals color.white. Public username font as string equals, open quote, trebuchet ms, close quote. Public username font size as integer equals 12. Public username font style as font style equals fontstyle.bold. Public username panel background color equals color, or as color equals color.gray. Public username panel background as image. Public power panel background color as color equals color.gray. Public power panel background image as image. Public shutdown text color as color equals color.white. Public shutdown text font as string equals open quote trebuchet ms, close quote. Public shutdown text size as integer equals 12. Public shutdown text style as font style equals fontstyle.italic. Public user panel background layout as image layout equals image layout.stretch. Public PWR panel background layout as image layout equals image layout.stretch. Public use classic app launcher as boolean equals true. Comment 0.0.9 alpha 2. Comment login screen. Public auto login as boolean equals true. Public full screen as boolean equals false. Public input font as string equals open quote trebuchet ms, close quote. Public input font size as integer equals 12. Public input font style as font style equals fontstyle.regular. Public input for color as color equals color.gray. Public input back color as color equals color.black. Public button font as string equals open quote trebuchet ms, close quote. Public button font size as integer equals 12. Public button font style as font style equals fontstyle.italic. Public user image size as integer equals 128. Public user image location as point equals new point open parentheses 36, 202, close parentheses. Public user image as image equals nothing, there's no equals. Public user image layout as image layout equals image layout.stretch. Public login BP as image. Public login BP color as color equals color.black. Public login BP layout as image layout equals image layout.stretch. Comment locations. Public user text box X as integer equals 171. Public user text box Y as integer equals 202. Public pass text box X as integer equals 171. Public pass text box Y as integer equals 243. Public login btn X as integer equals 268. Public login btn Y as integer equals 286. Public shutdown btn X as integer equals 1755. Public shutdown btn Y as integer equals 979. private function getImage, open parentheses, by val, file name as string, close parentheses, as bitmap. Dim ret as bitmap. Using img as image equals image.fromFile, open parentheses, file name, close parentheses. Ret equals new bitmap image. End using return ret end function. Hashtag end region. Comment load skin from skn file. Public sub load skn file, open parentheses, by val, file path as string, close parentheses. If directory.exists, open parentheses, loaded skin, then my.computer.filesystem.delete directory, open parentheses, save path, plus, open quote, ShiftOS 42 / skins / loaded, close quote, comma, file io dot delete directory options or option dot delete all contents, close parenthesis. Directory dot create directory, open parentheses, save path, plus, open quote, ShiftOS 42 / skins / loaded, close quote, close parenthesis. System.io.compression.zip file.extract to directory, open parenthesis, file path, comma, save path, plus, open quote, ShiftOS 42 / skins / loaded, close quote, close parenthesis. Load images, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. End sub. Comment load skin from save folder. Public sub load images. If file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin and user pic, then user image equals get image, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and open quote, user pic, close quote, close parenthesis. And if file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and open quote, login bt, close quote, close parenthesis, then login bt equals get image, open parenthesis, loaded skin, plus quote, login bt, quote, close parenthesis. And if file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, user bar, quote, close parenthesis, then user name panel background equals get image, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, user bar, quote, close parenthesis. And if file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, power bar, quote, close parenthesis, then power panel background image equals get image, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, power bar, quote, close parenthesis. And if file.exists, loaded skin, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, title bar, quote, close parenthesis, then title bar equals get image, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, title bar, quote, close parenthesis. Else title bar equals nothing. And if file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote, border left, quote, close parenthesis, then border left equals getImage, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote border left quote close parenthesis, else colon border left equals nothing, and if file.exists, open quote loaded skin, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote border right quote close parenthesis, then border right equals getImage, loaded skin, and quote border right quote dot clone close parenthesis, else border right equals nothing. And if file.exists, open parenthesis, loaded skin, and quote border bottom quote close parenthesis, then border bottom equals getImage, open parenthesis, loaded skin, end quote border bottom, end quote dot clone, end parenthesis, else colon border bottom equals nothing, and if file.exists, loaded skin, end quote close btn quote, then close btn equals getImage, loaded skin, and quote close btn quote dot clone, else close btn equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and close btn hover, then close btn hover equals getImage, loaded skin, and quote close btn hover quote dot clone, else close btn hover equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and close btn click, then close btn click equals getImage, loaded skin, and close btn click dot clone, else close btn click equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and roll btn, then roll btn equals getImage, loaded skin, and roll btn dot clone, else roll btn equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and roll btn hover, then roll btn hover equals getImage, loaded skin, and roll btn hover dot clone, else roll btn hover equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and roll btn click, then roll btn click equals getImage, loaded skin, and roll btn click dot clone, else roll btn click equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and min btn, then min btn equals getImage, loaded skin, and min btn dot clone, else min btn equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and min btn hover, then min btn hover equals getImage, loaded skin, and min btn hover dot clone, else min btn hover equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and min btn click, then min btn click equals getImage, loaded skin, and min btn click dot clone, else min btn click equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and right corner, then right corner equals getImage, loaded skin, and right corner dot clone, else right corner equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and left corner, then left corner equals getImage, loaded skin, and left corner dot clone, else left corner equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin, and desktop panel, then desktop panel equals getImage, loaded skin, and desktop panel dot clone, else desktop panel equals nothing. And if file.exists, loaded skin and desktop background, then desktop panel equals get image loaded skin and desktop background dot clone, else desktop background equals nothing. End if file.exists loaded skin and panel button, then panel button equals get image loaded skin and panel button dot clone, else panel button equals nothing. End if file.exists loaded skin and app launcher mouse over, then app launcher mouse over equals get image loaded skin and app launcher mouse over dot clone, else app launcher mouse over equals nothing. And if file.exists loaded skin and app launcher, then app launcher equals get image loaded skin and app launcher dot clone, else app launcher equals nothing. And if file.exists loaded skin and app launcher click, then app launcher click equals get image loaded skin plus app launcher click dot clone, else app launcher click equals nothing. And if file.exists loaded skin and panel clock, then panel clock equals get image loaded skin and panel clock dot clone, else panel clock equals nothing. And if file.exists loaded skin and bottom left corner, then bottom left corner equals get image loaded skin and bottom left corner dot clone, else bottom left corner equals nothing. And if file.exists loaded skin and bottom right corner, then bottom right corner equals get image loaded skin and bottom right corner dot clone, else bottom right corner equals nothing. And if comment load settings dim load data open parentheses 200 close parentheses as string, if file.exists loaded skin and data.dat dim sr as stream reader equals new stream reader loaded skin and data.dat. For I as integer equals 0 to 200, step 1, load data I equals sr.readline. If I is equal to 200, then sr.close. Exit 4, and if next. Comment settings. Close btn size equals new size, load data 1, load data 2. Roll btn size equals new size, load data 3, load data 4. Min btn size equals new size, load data 5, load data 6. Title bar height equals load data 7. Close btn from top equals load data 8. Close btn from side equals load data 9. Roll btn from top equals load data 10. Roll btn from side equals load data 11. Min btn from top equals load data 12. Min btn from side equals load data 13. Border width equals load data 14. Enable corners equals load data 15. Title bar corner width equals load data 16. Title icon from side equals load data 17. Title icon from top equals load data 18. Title bar color equals color.fromARGB load data 19. Border left color equals color.fromARGB load data 20. Border right color equals color.fromARGB load data 21. Border bottom color equals color.fromARGB load data 22. Close btn color equals color.fromARGB load data 23. Close btn hover color equals color.fromAirTB load data 24. Close btn click color equals color.fromAirTB ARTB load data 25. Roll btn color equals color.fromAirTB load data 26. Roll btn hover color equals color.fromAirTB load data 27. Roll btn click color equals color.fromAirTB load data 28. Min btn color equals color.fromAirTB load data 29. Min btn hover color equals color.fromAirTB load data 30. Min btn click color equals color.fromAirTB load data 31. Right corner color equals color.fromAirTB load data 32. Left corner color equals color.fromAirTB load data 33. Bottom right corner color equals color.fromAirTB load data 34. Bottom left corner color equals color.fromAirTB load data 35. Title text from top title text font family equals load data 36. Title text font size equals load data 37. Title text font style equals load data 38. Title text POS equals load data 39. Title text from top equals load data 40. Title text from side equals load data 41. Title text color equals color.fromAirTB load data 42. Desktop panel color equals color.fromAirTB load data 43. Desktop background color equals color.fromAirTB load data 44. Desktop panel height equals load data 45. Desktop panel position equals load data 46. Clock text color equals color.fromAirTB load data 47. Clock background color equals color.fromAirTB load data 48. Panel clock text top equals load data 49. Panel clock text size equals load data 50. Panel clock text font equals load data 51. Panel clock text style equals load data 52. App launcher button color equals color.fromAirTB load data 53. App launcher button click color equals color.fromAirTB load data 54. App launcher background color equals color.fromAirTB load data 55. App launcher mouse over color equals color.fromAirTB load data 56. Applications button text color equals color.fromAirTB load data 57. Application button height equals load data 58. Application button text size equals load data 59. Application button text font equals load data 60. Application button text style equals load data 61. Application launcher name equals load data 62. Title text position equals load data 63. App launcher menu holder width equals load data 64. Panel button icon top equals load data 65. Panel button icon side equals load data 66. Panel button icon size equals load data 67. Panel button height equals load data 8. Panel button width equals panel button height equals load data 68. And panel button width equals load data 69. Panel button color equals color.fromAirTB load data 70. Panel button text color equals color.fromARGB load data 71. Panel button text size equals load data 72. Panel button text font equals load data 73. Panel button text style equals load data 74. Panel button text side equals load data 75. Panel button text top equals load data 76. Panel button gap equals load data 77. Panel button from top equals load data 78. Panel button initial gap equals load data 79. Comment layout stuff. Title bar layout equals load data 89. Border left layout equals load data 90. Border right layout equals load data 91. Border bottom layout equals load data 92. Close BTN layout equals load data 93. Roll BTN layout equals load data 94. Min BTN layout equals load data 95. Right corner layout equals load data 96. Left corner layout equals load data 97. Desktop panel layout equals load data 98. Desktop background layout equals load data 99. Panel clock layout equals load data 100. App launcher layout equals load data 101. Panel button layout equals load data 102. Bottom left corner layout equals load data 103. Bottom right corner layout equals load data 104. Comment end of 0.0.8 beta 6 save file. Check if exists for future features. If not, load data 105 equals quote nothing quote then or empty string, then launcher item color equals color.fromARGB loaded or load data 105. If not, load data 106 equals empty string, then launcher item font equals load data 106. If not, load data 107 equals empty string, then launcher item size equals load data 107. If not, load data 108 equals empty string, then launcher item style equals load data 108. If not, load data 109 equals empty string, then enable border colors or corners equals load data 109. For adding extra features, check. If load data 110 equals empty string, or load data 110 equals end of skin data, then then load data 110 equals enable draggable icons. Else, enable draggable icons equals load data 110. If load data 111 equals empty string, or load data 111 equals end of skin data, then load data 111 equals icon text color dot to ARGB, else icon text color equals color dot from ARGB load data 111. If load data 112 equals empty string, or load data 112 equals end of skin data, then load data 112 equals show icons, else show icons equals load data 112. If load data 113 equals empty string, or load data 113 equals end of skin data, then load data 113 equals icon view 1, else icon view 1 equals load data 113. Try if load data 113 equals empty string, then top bar height equals 50, else top bar height equals load data 104. Catch EX as exception. Top bar height equals 50. Infobox.showInfo. Error. Bad skin file. It appears that there was an error loading parts of this skin. The unloadable data has been reset to defaults, or to default values. End try. If load data 115 equals empty string, then bottom bar height equals 50, else bottom bar height equals load data 115. If load data 116 equals empty string, then places side equals left, else places side equals load data 116. If load data 117 equals empty string, then start height equals 526, else start height equals load data 117. If load data 118 equals empty string, then start width equals 320, else start width equals load data 118. If load data 119 equals empty string, then shutdown string equals shutdown ShiftOS, else shutdown string equals load data 119. If load data 120 equals empty string, then username position equals middle, right, else username position equals load data 120. If load data 121 equals empty string, then recent icons horizontal equals false, else recent icons horizontal equals loaded skin 121. If load data 122 equals empty string, then username text color equals color.white, else username text color equals color.fromARGB load data 122. If load data 123 equals empty string, then username font equals trebuchet ms, else username font equals load data 123. If my eyes aren't hurting right now, then I must be a god, else I'm going to continue reading. If load data 124 equals empty string, then username font size equals 12, else username font size equals load data 124. If load data 125 equals empty string, then username font style equals font style.bold, else username font style equals load data 125. If load data 126 equals empty string, then username panel background color equals color.gray, else username panel background color equals color.fromARGB load data 126. If load data 127 equals empty string, then power panel background color equals color.gray, else power panel background color equals color.fromARGB load data 127. If load data 128 equals empty string, then shutdown text color equals color.white, else shutdown text color equals color.fromARGB load data 128. If load data 129 equals empty string, then shutdown text font equals TurboAMS, else shutdown text font equals load data 129. If load data 130 equals empty string, then shutdown text size equals 12, else shutdown text size equals load data 130. If load data 131 equals empty string, then shutdown text style equals font style.italic, else shutdown text style equals load data 132. If load data 133 equal yeah, that's what I want. No, it's not. I'm an idiot. Shutdown text style equals load data 130. Wait, what? No, I found a bug. I found a bug in my 5-year-old code. Anyway, load data 132. If that's equal to an empty string, then USR panel background layout equals image layout dot stretch. Else, USR panel background layout equals image. It equals load data 132. I need water. I will be right back. If load data 133 equals empty string, then PWR panel background layout equals image layout dot stretch. Excuse me. Else, power button background layout equals load data 133. If load data 134 equals empty string, then use classic app launcher equals false. Else use classic app launcher equals load data 134. If load data 135 equals empty string, then auto login equals true, else auto login equals load data 135. If load data 136 equals empty string, then full screen equals false, else full screen equals load data 136. If load data 137 equals empty string, then input font equals TurboAMS, else input font equals load data 137. If load data 138 equals empty string, then input font size equals 12, else input font size equals load data 138. If load data 139 equals close quote, then no, not close quote, empty string, then input font style equals font style dot regular, else input font style equals load data 139. If load data 140 equals empty string, then input for color equals color.gray, else input for color equals color.fromARGB, load data 140. If load data 141 equals empty string, then input back color equals color.black, else input back color equals color.fromARGB, load data 141. If load data 142 equals empty string, then button font equals TurboAMS, else button font equals load data 142. If load data 143 equals empty string, then button font size equals 12, else button font size equals load data 143. If load data 144 equals empty string, then button font style equals font style.italic. Else button font style equals load data 144. If load data 145 equals empty string, then user image size equals 128, else user image size equals load data 145. If load data 146 equals empty string, then load data 147 equals and load data 147 equals empty string, then user image location equals new point 36 202. Else user image location equals new point load data 146 load data load data 147. If load data 149 equals if load data 148 equals empty string, then user image layout equals image layout.stretch. Else user image layout equals load data 148. If load data 149 equals empty string, then login bp color equals color.black. Else login bp color equals color.fromRGB load data 149. If load data 150 equals empty string, then login bp layout equals image layout.stretch. Else login bp layout equals load data 150. Else setup defaults open parenthesis close parenthesis end if. Comment Christmas Easter egg. Try comment if user's PC uses weird / non-numeric dating system https or http://puu.sh/ef or capital FQ61 /8 D8A03617.png. dim d open parenthesis close parenthesis as string equals split open parenthesis date.today comma quote / quote close parenthesis. If D0 equals 25 and D1 equals 12, or D0 equals 12 and D1 equals 25, then desktop background equals my.resources.christmas Easter egg. Desktop background layout equals 2. Desktop background color equals color.black. End if catch ex as exception and try. apply skin, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, end sub. Comment set skin, public sub apply skin. ShiftOS desktop dot add title bars, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. ShiftOS desktop dot setup desktop, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, end sub. Save to skn file, public sub save skin, open parenthesis, by val path as string, close parenthesis. If not file.exists path, then dim sw as streamwriter equals new streamwriter path paths dot loaded skin and skn version. Comment tells skin loader which system to use when opening the file. sw.writeLine, name of skinning system used to create this skn file. sw.writeLine 2.0 disposal free skinning. sw.writeLine skinning system created by William.1008 on December of 2014, based on 1.0 system by DevX. Side note, disposal free skinning means that it is a memory leak skinning system. Just throwing that out there. sw.close, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Save skin files false. Compression.zip file that create from directory. Paths.loaded skin, path. File.delete. Paths.loaded skin and skn-version. Infobox.howinfo. File exists. That file location is already taken. Please choose another. End if. End sub. Or else. Yeah, then that info box. Then end if. End sub. Comment save to save folder. Public sub save skin files by val apply as boolean. If file.exists paths.loaded skin, then directory.delete paths.loaded skin. End if directory.create directory paths.loaded skin. Save image title bar. Save image border left. Save image border right. Save image border bottom. Save image close btn. Save image close btn hover. Save image close btn click. Save image roll btn. Save image roll btn hover. Save image roll btn click. Save image min btn. Save image min btn hover. Save image min btn click. Save image, right corner, right corner. Save image, left corner, left corner. Save image, desktop panel, desktop panel. Save image, desktop background, desktop background. Save image, panel clock, panel clock. Save image, app launcher mouse over, app launcher mouse over. Save image, app launcher, app launcher. Save image, app launcher click, app launcher click. Save image, panel button, panel button. Save image, bottom left corner, bottom left corner. Save image, bottom right corner, bottom right corner. Save image, user name panel background, user bar. Save image, power panel background image, power bar. Save image, user PIC. Save image, login BT, login BT. Comment, save settings to DAT file. Dim save data 200 as string. Comment, setting and color as saved in the order they are declared. Images are saved in separate preset files. Image layout options are saved at the end of file. Save data 0 equals ShiftOS skin data. Beware. Editing may result in skinning errors. Save data 2 equals close btn size.height. Save data 1 equals close btn size.width. Save data 4 equals roll btn size.height. Save data 3 equals roll btn size.width. Save data 6 equals min btn size.height. Save data 5 equals min btn size.width. Save data 7 equals title bar height. Save data 8 equals close btn from top. Save data 9 equals close btn from side. Save data 10 equals roll btn from top. Save data 11 equals roll btn from side. Save data 12 equals min btn from top. Save data 13 equals min btn from side. Save data 14 equals border width. Save data 15 equals enable corners. Save data 16 equals title bar corner width. Save data 17 equals title icon from side. Save data 18 equals title icon from top. Save data 19 equals title bar color.2ARGB. Save data 20 equals border left color.2ARGB. Save data 21 equals border right color.2ARGB. Save data 22 equals border bottom color.2ARGB. Save data 23 equals close btn color.2ARGB. Save data 24 equals close btn hover color.2ARGB. Save data 25 equals close btn clock or click color.2ARGB. Save data 26 equals roll btn color.2ARGB. Save data 27 equals roll btn hover color.2ARGB. Save data 28 equals roll btn click color.2ARGB. Save data 29 equals min btn color.2ARGB. Save data 30 equals min btn hover color.2ARGB. Save data 31 equals min btn click color.2ARGB. Save data 32 equals right corner color.2ARGB. Save data 33 equals left corner color.2ARGB. Save data 34 equals bottom right corner color.2ARGB. Save data 35 equals bottom left corner color.2ARGB. Save data 36 equals title text font family. Save data 37 equals title text font size. Save data 38 equals title text font style. Save data 39 equals title text POS. Save data 40 equals title text from top. Save data 41 equals title text from side. Save data 42 equals title text color.2ARGB. Save data 43 equals desktop panel color.2ARGB. Save data 44 equals desktop background color.2ARGB. Save data 45 equals desktop panel height. Save data 46 equals desktop panel position. Save data 47 equals desktop equals clock text color.2ARGB. Save data 48 equals clock background color.2ARGB. Save data 49 equals panel clock text top. Save data 50 equals title text panel clock text size. Save data 51 equals panel clock text font. Save data panel clock text style equals save data 52 equals panel clock text style. Save data 53 equals app launcher button color.2ARGB. Save data 54 equals app launcher button clicked color.2ARGB. Save data 55 equals app launcher background color.2ARGB. Save data 56 equals app launcher mouse over color.2ARGB. Save data 37 equals applications button text color.2ARGB. Save data 58 equals app launcher button height. Save data 59 equals application, save data 58 equals application button height, yeah. Save data 59 equals application button text size. Save data 60 equals application button text font. Save data 61 equals application button text style. Save data 62 equals applications launcher name. Save data 63 equals title text position. Save data 64 equals app launcher menu holder width. Save data 65 equals panel button icon top. Save data 65 equals panel button icon top. 66 equals panel button icon side. Save data 67 equals panel button icon size. Save data 68 equals panel button height. And save data 69 equals panel button width. Save data 7 equals panel button color.2ARGB. And save data 71 equals panel button text color.2ARGB. Save data 72 equals panel button text size. Save data 73 equals panel button text font, while save data 74 equals panel button text style. Save data 75 equals panel button text side, and save data 76 equals panel button text top, and save data 77 equals panel button gap, and save data 78 is equal to panel button from top, and save data 79 equals panel button initial gap. Image layout options. Save data 89 equals title bar layout. Save data 90 equals border left layout. Save data 91 equals border right layout. Save data 92 equals border bottom layout. Save data 93 equals close BTN layout. Save data 94 equals roll BTN layout. Save data 95 equals min BTN layout. Save data 96 equals right corner layout. Save data 97 equals left corner layout. Save data 98 equals desktop panel layout. And save data 99 equals desktop background layout. Save data 100 equals panel clock layout. And save data 101 equals app launcher layout. Save data 102 equals panel button layout. And save data 103 equals bottom left corner layout. And save data 104 equals bottom right corner layout. Save data 105 equals launcher item color.2ARGB. Save data 106 equals launcher item font. Save data 107 equals launcher item size. Save data 108 equals launcher item style. Save data 109 equals enable border corners. Save data 110 equals enable draggable icons. Save data 111 equals icon text color.2argb. Save data 112 equals show icons. Save data 113 equals icon view 1. Save data 104 equals 14 equals top bar height. Save data 115 equals bottom bar height. Save data 116 equals places side. Save data 117 equals start height. Save data 118 equals start width. Save data 119 equals shutdown string. Save data 120 equals username position. Save data 121 equals recent icons horizontal. Save data 122 equals username text color.2argb. Save data 123 equals username font. Save data 104 equals 124 equals username font size. Save data 125 equals username font style. Save data 126 equals username panel background color.2argb. Save data 127 equals power panel background color.2argb. Save data 128 equals shutdown text color.2argb. Save data 129 equals shutdown text font. Save data 130 equals shutdown text size. Save data 131 equals shutdown text style. Save data 132 equals USR panel background layout. Save data 133 equals PWR panel background layout. Save data 134 equals use classic app launcher. Save data 135 equals auto login. Save data 136 equals full screen. Save data 137 equals input font. Save data 138 equals input font size. Save data 139 equals input font style. Save data 140 equals input for color.2argb. Save data 141 equals input back color.2argb. Save data 142 equals button font. Save data 143 equals button font size. Save data 144 equals button font style. Save data 145 equals user image size. Save data 146 equals user image location .x. Save data 147 equals user image location .y. Save data 148 equals user image layout. Save data 149 equals login btn color.2argb. And load data 150, save data 150 equals login btn layout. Comment, end of skin data text was at line 110. If additional future items if adding future icons, check for end of skin data on line 110. Save data 200 equals end of skin data. File.write all lines, paths.loaded skin, and data.dat. Save data. If apply is equal to true, then apply skin. End if. End sub. Public sub setup defaults. Title bar equals nothing. Title bar layout equals 3. Border left equals nothing. Border left layout equals 3. Border right equals nothing. Border right layout equals 3. Border bottom equals nothing. Border bottom layout equals 3. Close BTN equals nothing. Close BTN layout equals 3. Close BTN hover equals nothing. Close BTN click equals nothing. Roll BTN equals nothing. Roll BTN layout equals 3. Roll BTN hover equals nothing. Roll BTN click equals nothing. Min BTN equals nothing. Min BTN layout equals 3. Min BTN hover equals nothing. Min BTN click equals nothing. Right corner equals nothing. Right corner layout equals 3. Left corner equals nothing. Left corner layout equals 3. Bottom left corner equals nothing. Bottom left corner layout equals 3. Bottom right corner equals nothing. Bottom right corner layout equals 3. Bottom left corner color equals color.gray. Bottom right corner color equals color.gray. Enable border corners equals false. Close BTN size equals new size 2222. Roll BTN size equals new size 22, 22. Min BTN size equals new size 22, 22. Title bar height equals 30. Close BTN from top equals 5. Close BTN from side equals 2. Roll BTN from top equals 5. Roll BTN from side equals 26. Min BTN from top equals 5. Min BTN from side equals 52. Border width equals 2. Enable corners equals false. Title bar corner width equals 5. Title icon from side equals 4. Title icon from top equals 4. Title bar color equals color.gray. Border left color equals color.gray. Border right color equals color.gray. Border bottom color equals color.gray. Close BTN color equals color.black. Close BTN hover color equals color.black. Close BTN click color equals color.black. Roll BTN color equals color.black. Roll BTN hover color equals color.black. Roll BTN click color equals color.black. Min BTN color equals color.black. Min BTN hover color equals color.black. Min BTN click color equals color.black. Right corner color equals color.gray. Left corner color equals color.gray. Title text font family equals Microsoft Sans Serif. Title text font size equals 10. Title text font style equals fontstyle.bold. Title text POS equals left. Title text from top equals 3. Title text from side equals 24. Title text color equals color.white. Desktop panel color equals color.gray. Desktop background color equals color.black. Desktop panel height equals 24. Desktop panel position equals top. Clock text color equals color.black. Clock background color equals color.gray. Panel clock text top equals 3. Panel clock text size equals 10. Panel clock text font equals Byington. Panel clock text style equals fontstyle.bold. App launcher button color equals color.gray. App launcher button click color equals color.gray. App launcher background color equals color.gray. App launcher mouse over color equals color.gray. Applications button text color equals color.black. Application button height equals 24. Application button text size equals 10. Application button text font equals Byington. Application button text style equals fontstyle.bold. Application launcher name equals applications. Title text position equals left. App launcher menu holder width equals 100. Panel button icon top equals 3. Panel button icon side equals 4. Panel button icon size equals 16. Panel button height equals 20. Panel button width equals 185. Panel button color equals color.black. Panel button text color equals color.white. Panel button text size equals 10. Panel button text font equals Byington. Panel button text style equals fontstyle.regular. Panel button text size side equals 16. Panel button text top equals 2. Panel button gap equals 4. Panel button from top equals 2. Panel button initial gap equals 8. Launcher item size equals 10. Launcher item font equals Byington. Launcher item style equals fontstyle.regular. Launcher item color equals color.black. Desktop panel equals nothing. Desktop panel layout equals 3. Desktop background equals nothing. Desktop background layout equals 3. Panel clock equals nothing. Panel clock layout equals 3. App launcher mouse over equals nothing. App launcher equals nothing. App launcher layout equals 3. App launcher click equals nothing. Panel button equals nothing. Panel button layout equals 3. Enable draggable icons equals true. End sub. private sub save image, open parenthesis, bival, imp as image, comma, bival, name as string, close parenthesis. If not is nothing, imp, then if file.exists, loaded skin, and name, then file.delete, loaded skin, and name. Try imp.save, loaded skin, and name, comma, system.drawing.imaging.image format.png, catch, ex as exception. Infobox.showInfo, saving error, comma, oops. An error occurred when saving the file and loaded skin and name and period. Please contact the devs. Report problem. And try. Else, if file.exists, loaded skin, and name, then file.delete, loaded skin, and name. And if. End sub. End module. I read 866 lines of Visual Basic from the ShiftOS source code. This is what happened to MyEyes. MV is a 17-year-old programmer admitting to the emergency room blind and with sore retinas. Upon arrival, he tells the admitting nurse that his retinas feel like they are on fire, as if someone is holding a torch toward them. You see, MV decided on April Fool's, the night before, that it would be okay to work with a friend to create a prank that would be another game that he was developing. This prank unfortunately did not go well, so MV decided to spend the day at school because April Fool's is a school day. Getting through the school day made him feel not like he wanted to program, but he wanted to do something. So he got in his computer, had it on Discord for a while, and got bored. Then he looked in his hard drive and saw an archive folder with the ShiftOS source code in it, and decided to record a YouTube video as a joke where he records himself reading every single line from the skins.vb file in the source code. It was meant to be a joke. It was meant to be funny. And so he thought when he began. He soon realized that he would need to read the entire thing, start to finish, with no breaks other than water, not even using the washroom or closing his eyes. This is how MV ended up going so blind that the entire screen is blurry and his retinas feel like they're being murdered by the sun. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy April Fools. I know it's late, but internet issues, they really suck. And for the record, that was actually kind of fun. I would do that again.